Hello 朋友们，大家好 Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow. Today, let's make clay pot chicken. This recipe is very simple and delicious. I make this when I have a little time to cook because it only takes a half an hour to make. The ingredients are in the description box. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started. Let's start by peeling the shallots. I like to cut off the ends and peel the outside. Then split most of the shallot in half. Now dice the remaining shallots. Next, cut up the ginger. Then cut some garlic and remove the husk. And mince the garlic. Let's put up the chicken cutlets. I start by trimming the chicken. Then I cut it into smaller chunks. Now add some cooking oil into hot wok. Then add the garlic and shallot to stir fry to release the fragrance. When the aromatics become translucent, take it out. Then add seasoning soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce to the aromatics and mix together. Now heat up the clay pot and add cooking oil. Then add the shallot and ginger. When the room starts to smell fragrant, add the chicken in. Then add the cooking wine and the sauce. Cover the lid and let it simmer on medium-low heat for 15 minutes. When it's done cooking, take off the lid and remove from the heat, and it's done! Wow, looks good! Time for taste test. Looks so tender. The chicken is so juicy and tender. You can really taste garlic, ginger, and shallot. So good. If you got any question and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。